Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, I will inform you about the latest reports received today about the ongoing wars in Afar and Amhara region. In addition, reports are also being received from the Eritrea Tigray border, and in this video I will also inform you about receiving information from the Gondar front. Viewers, according to the latest reports received from the Tigray region, heavy airstrikes are being carried out by the Ethiopian Air Force on Adi Hagre. If you look at your screen, Adi Hagre is located in the north of Tigray near Eritrea and Tigray border. Heavy airstrikes were also carried out by the Ethiopian Air Force last week on central capital Mekelle, and now airstrikes have been done on Adi Hagre near the Eritrea border by Ethiopian Air Force. With reports of casualties and financial losses have not been received due to airstrike so far, and on the other hand, heavy war is currently underway in the Afar region. Tigray Defense Force is trying to get control over Mille, and reports from Tigray Defense Force sources that Tigray Defense Force has gained full control over Kasa Gita after heavy fighting. And now Tigray Defense Force soldiers have reached near Mille. And reports are being received that tomorrow a heavy war could begin between the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies and Tigray Defense Force in Mille, and Tigray Defense Force in Amhara region has gained control over Tanta and Ajibar. Whereas now Tigray Defense Force has only one goal in Amhara region: to gain control over Addis Ababa as soon as possible. And the war that has been going on in Ethiopia for the last 1 year can be ended, as the soldiers of Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army are winning the way in Amhara and Afar region. This estimates that Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army soldiers will soon reach near Addis Ababa. Whereas, on the other hand, fear has spread among the people in Addis Ababa because Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army soldiers are now heading towards Addis Ababa after gaining control of strategic locations in Amhara region. And according to reports, flights from Addis Ababa are reported fully booked, as diplomats and families of government officials feel an imminent attack on the Ethiopian capital by joining Tigray and Oromo forces. Viewers, on the other hand, according to reports, Amhara militia and Fano are moving towards Volo from Gondar in order to prevent Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army from moving towards Addis Ababa. And the video is also shared by Amhara militia, in which huge numbers of Amhara militia and Fano can be seen moving towards Bolo. This video I will share with you in the end. Viewers, on the other hand, Ethiopia's government declared a national state of emergency yesterday as Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army threaten to move on the capital, and the country's year-long war escalates quickly. And the emergency declaration by Ethiopia's Council of Ministers was the clearest sign of alarm yet from the government of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, who a year ago this week allowed soldiers from a neighboring country to invade the Tigray region and pursue the Tigray forces alongside Ethiopian troops. And thousands of people have been killed since then. The Council's declaration said that Tigray forces and their allies pose a grave and imminent danger to the country's existence. And the Prime Minister tweeted that everyone will be tested, saying the declaration was made to shorten the period of tribulation and provide a time of solution. The United States has warned the Tigray forces against any attempt to besiege the capital Addis Ababa after seizing control in recent days of the strategic cities of Dessie and Kambolcha that position them to move down a major highway toward the capital. Because local administration in some areas could be disbanded and a military leadership could be installed. On authorities, public gatherings, and any expression of opposition to the state of emergency are banned. Meanwhile, the Addis Ababa Security Bureau told residents that anyone with a firearm should register it now, and it warned that searches of homes and businesses would be carried out to ensure the city's peace. On the other hand, Getachew, spokesman of the Tigray People Liberation Front, said that Abiy Ahmed's declaration of state of emergency cannot save his regime from collapse. It's, however, a carrot balance to jail or kill Tigrayans at will. While the regime is teetering on the brink of collapse, Abiy and his lieutenants are unleashing a reign of terror with the vengeance, and we will leave no stone unturned to hunt down criminals who have made the killing and maiming of innocent civilians their vocation and hold them responsible. And those who have officially instituted vigilant justice against our people must refrain from this insanity. So viewers, let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.